Hello friends, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Friends, welcome to our another video of Microsoft Excel series. Here today we are going to learn how to use the sum if formula with a single criteria. So without wasting of time, let's start the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of all my updates. So let's begin. At first we are going to open the Microsoft Excel software. Here it is, and in my every video I will run the OSK software, that is on screen keyboard, so that you can see whatever I am typing in my keyboard. You can see it here. I have already created a file previously, so let's open that. Here it is. So friends, if you need to subtotal numbers by any criteria, in this case the criteria is the color option, color row actually. You can easily do so with the SUMIF function. In the example shown, the formula in G5 will be, look carefully friends, I am typing the formula here. The formula will be equals to sum if, then first bracket open, then you have to put the range. In my case the range is from C4, so I have to put it like this. Look here carefully friends. Put the cell number within $sign. I will explain you that later. C$4 colon, the range is here, that means D13, $13. Then put a comma here. You have to put the criteria here. In my case that is F5. So write it down here, F5. Look here friends, I didn't put the $sign here, then again put the comma. Then it's asking for the sum range. That sum range is the amount row, that is row number D row, and the range is $D $4 colon $D $13. Then put the bracket close and simply hit the enter button. So here it is friend. Let's see if it will actually work. Red is 30, 60 and 50. If we select this 30, 60 and 50, look here, it is 140 and it's showing totally right. Now how the function works. The SUMIF function takes three arguments, that is range, criteria and the sum range. We have put the $sign here, that we don't have to change the criteria when we copy the formula down here. This range will be same, so we have put the $sign here. Then the criteria cell. Here the criteria will be changed in each of the row, so we didn't put the $sign here. Then the sum range. This range will also stick on the same area, so we have put the $sign here. So the sum range will not be changed. So when we copy the formula from upside to down, only the criteria will be changed. See here, that was F5 and now it is showing F6. In this case it is showing F7. So that's how the formula worked. That's all for today, friends. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And this Excel series will be continued in my channel. Stay tuned.